video I am going to share about how to create new custom import field groups in Joomla 5 for contact component. In this components tab there is a contact menu, and now I will create new import groups for the contact custom import fields. If I go to contacts and if I click on new, there are many import fields. I can create a new import fields in these tabs and add my custom import fields in that field group. So this new contact, this display form, these tabs are a field group. So we have to create that field group and assign the custom import fields so that we can group the import fields and the user can fill new import field and we can get new information from user. There is a tab, fields tab. I will create this in a new tab and click on new. So this is contact menu, and there is another tabs, fields. In these fields we can create our custom import fields. Here I have created hobbies. If I click on this, here I have created hobbies and text area. I give the type as text area, and if I refresh the page, there in the fields there is a new import fields, hobbies. I have give the require as yes, so it is showing with star icon. So from these fields we can create new import fields. In this fields tab, if we create new import fields in this fields tab, it will add under this fields group, under this fields tab. So if I don't want to add fields tab and I want to create my custom name, my custom group, I have to create with fields group, field group. If I click on this, there is no field group created, so I will create a new group and I will give the group as we want other information, other contact information. So I will create with other information. The description is not require field, so I can leave as it is. Save and close. Now it will increase a new tab. Here it will add a new tab with other information in this tab. If I refresh it, it will not show other information because we have not add any fields, any import fields in this other information tab. So if I go to fields and create new import field, and for the type, now I will add father name, and I can select the import fields in full feed type, but for the father name I will select text, and the label is father name. We can add description in that import field. We can set require yes or no. We can customize other fields also. And if I save this and refresh it, in this fields tab there is another field, father name. So I have created field group other information, but it adds in this fields in this fields tab, because I have not add the field group. So for this father name, there is a field group tab, and if I select other information and save this, now this father name is in other information field group. Now if I refresh the contact creation page, there is only one hobbies in this fields tab, and there is now it increase other information. If I click on this, there is an input field for father name like this. So we have to assign the field group so that we can create our custom tabs and add our custom input field in this field group. If we don't create field group, it will add the fields tab. So this fields is default generated by Joomla. So if we don't create field group, it will add under the fields tab. If we add in field group, it will add in selected field group. Now here you can see hobbies is there is no field group selected, so it is under the fields tab. Father name is under the field group of other information. So in other information, there is input field for father name. If I change this hobbies, click on this hobbies and change the field group to other information, save and close, and if I refresh the contact creation page, now father name is under other information. Now there is no fields tab in this tab. So our two custom input field is under the same other information field group. So if we want to create one more input field group, go to contacts, field group. Now there is field group for other information. Create a new and create new input fields and assign in this field in that new field group. So it will generate a new field group, and there we can see our custom input fields. Like this, we can create custom input fields and custom field group in Joomla 5. So this is for contact. There is categories also. This is for custom field group for contact. If I change to category, the process is the same. Create new field group for category, and in this categories, create new category and assign in that field group, so that we can create custom input fields and custom field group in contact creation form. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for your attention.